Now, let's explain the indicator used for both swing trading and long-term investing. The indicator is very simple. It provides direct buy signals like the ones you see on the chart in front of you. It also provides sell levels, take profit targets, and stop loss levels. The indicator works on any time frame, but for the best results, it is recommended to use the 1 hour to 4 hour time frames. You will see the same signals in the same locations across different time frames, but for higher accuracy, the 1 hour and 4 hour charts are preferred. You can create alerts for any stock using the indicator. Whenever a stock reaches a buy level, the indicator will send you a buy notification. You can also create alerts for an entire watch list instead of monitoring just a single stock. The indicator generates signals like these green buy signals you see here. The minimum target after a signal is typically around 8%, and many trades achieve much higher returns. As you can see, some moves can reach as much as 63%. The indicator also provides intelligent signals, like the ones shown here. This trade is currently active. The stop-loss level is located here, and the target is shown here. However, if you notice, this signal is labeled weak. When a signal is marked as weak, you can choose to ignore it or enter with a smaller position size. The indicator also allows you to filter these types of signals through the settings. When a weak signal appears, you will receive a notification labeled Buy Weak. While some traders prefer to ignore these signals, they often reach their targets and sometimes exceed them, as you can see. The indicator works across all asset classes, including cryptocurrencies. For example, let's look at Ethereum. Here, a weak buy signal failed quickly because the market was experiencing a strong downtrend. You can see another weak signal here as well. However, when a strong signal appeared, the target was reached with ease. When the overall market is falling aggressively, as we have seen during periods like this, conditions become more challenging. For example, the SPY ETF was experiencing a significant decline, while the VIX, often referred to as the fear index, was elevated. During normal market conditions, however, even weak signals can perform well, just like the examples we reviewed earlier. Let's also look at an example from the Egyptian stock market. Here, the buy signal reached its target and moved beyond it. This weak signal experienced a small pullback before eventually reaching its target. And here, we have a trade that hit the stop loss. This is completely normal because no strategy can achieve a 100% win rate. There are also periods when the indicator produces very few trades, or no trades at all, due to the way the strategy is designed. However, that does not mean you cannot trade during those periods. For example, if we go back to this area here, the indicator provides breakout levels that can be used as alternative entry opportunities. For instance, a breakout above this level would have provided a potential buying opportunity.